Hey everyone, welcome back to Zero English Learn. If you're here, you probably want to improve your English skills, and I'm excited to share the 7 best ways to do just that. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, these tips will help you level up your English. So let's get started. Tip 1. Immersion. Surround yourself with English. First up, immersion. Immersion is one of the most powerful ways to learn any language. Immerse yourself in English as much as possible. Change the language settings on your phone. Watch English TV shows. Listen to English music. And even try reading the news in English. The more you expose yourself to the language, the faster you'll start understanding and speaking it naturally. Tip 2. Consistent practice. Tip number 2. Consistency. When learning English, it's all about practice. Set aside time every day, even if it's just 10 to 15 minutes. It could be speaking, listening, reading, or writing. The more consistent you are, the quicker you'll improve. So try to make English a part of your daily routine. Little practice every day adds up. Tip 3. Use language apps. Tip number 3. Use language learning apps. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise are great tools to help you learn English on the go. They make learning fun with interactive lessons and quizzes, which help you build vocabulary, improve your grammar, and even practice pronunciation. Plus, they're perfect for those busy days when you only have a few minutes to spare. Tip 4. Engage in conversations. Next up, engage in conversations. Speaking English as much as possible is crucial to improving your fluency. Find a language exchange partner, join an English-speaking group, or even talk to yourself in English. Apps like HelloTalk and Tandem allow you to connect with native speakers. Don't worry about making mistakes. The more you practice speaking, the more confident you'll become. Tip 5. Read books and articles in English. Tip number 5. Read books and articles in English. Whether it's fiction, nonfiction, blogs, or news, reading is an amazing way to improve your vocabulary and comprehension. Start with simple texts and gradually challenge yourself with more complex material. Reading also helps you see how sentences are structured, which improves your writing skills as well. Tip 6. Watch English TV shows and movies. Tip number 6. Watch TV shows and movies in English. This is one of the best ways to practice listening and improve your accent. Start by watching with subtitles in your own language, and as you get more comfortable, switch to English subtitles or turn them off completely. You'll pick up useful expressions, slang, and get a better sense of how native speakers use the language. Tip 7. Be patient and stay motivated. And finally, tip number 7. Be patient and stay motivated. Learning a language is a journey, not a race. It's normal to make mistakes along the way, but that's how you grow. Set small goals, celebrate your progress, and keep reminding yourself why you want to learn English. The more motivated and positive you stay, the easier it'll be to keep going. Conclusion. So those are the 7 best ways to learn English. I hope these tips help you get closer to fluency. Remember, consistency is key, and the more you immerse yourself in the language, the faster you'll improve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your channel name. Also, let me know your favorite ways to practice English in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.